Are you the kind of person who loves to have people over to your home, but you find it kind of tough to fit into your life? Well, if so, this video series is meant to help you. So the fourth wine that I always want to have around is a bottle of Italian red. If you've seen my video on food and wine pairings, you'll know that wines that have that mouth-watering quality to them, or higher acidity technically, those are wines that pair really well with food, and Italian wines are famous for this. If I want to have a wine around that pairs well with pizza, pasta, veggies, meatballs, Chinese takeout, or even Indian food, I know that having a bottle of Italian red is going to suit all of those things pretty well. I try to pick something that's easy to drink, something like a Barbera. If you have not met the grape variety Barbera, do yourself a favor and go out and buy one tonight. They're pretty easy to find. Nearly every wine store stocks one now, and I have yet to have a bad bottle of Barbera. If you want to know the fifth wine that I always keep in stock, subscribe to my channel and come back next Thursday.